Hello and welcome to Insights on Demand, our quarterly video newsletter bringing our vIDix community up to speed on everything new and newsworthy on the vIDix software solutions. This video I'll be providing an overview of vIDix Entry, our vestibule control solution. This product is ideal for multi-dwelling, mixed retail, or really any facility where a tenant or individuals need to control access through a key door, in this case a vestibule or lobby door. So how does it work? There is a placard with a QR code in the vestibule that is needing security. The visitor comes on site and scans the QR code with their phone. This brings up a couple different lists, one or both. First would be a tenant list, those that live within the facility. The second would be building contacts. So you can see here, this would be like building manager, maybe security, maintenance, concierge, make it package delivery. That could be an option as well. And again, you can have one or the other or both. And just to mention, the image in the top center of the screen is customizable, so you can personalize the app to your particular facility. So in this case, the visitor scanned the QR code, brought up the list of tenants. You can see here we have two columns, the unit number as well as the name. The name component is optional for security reasons. If they don't want to list the actual names, they can just keep the unit number. If it's retail spaces, you can put the name of the businesses there under names instead. But in this case, they select person. A text message is sent out to the tenant. So the tenant receives that. vIDix entry, main entry. Click on the URL. And what that does is brings up a two-way video call between the tenant and the visitor. So the tenant's actually seeing who arrived on site. They can then let them in if they recognize them right away, unless additional information needs to be exchanged between the two parties. But the bottom center icon allows for the door that's being secured to be unlocked. And then the tenant can actually walk the visitor up to their residence if they need to go up the stairwell, take a right, go down the hallway, take a left, etc. If they want to keep the video call live while they're actually walking the person up to their residence. You can also then turn off the video if you want. I'll show you that on the next screen here. And then the red button with the X actually hangs up the call. So here's a image of the screen without the video live. You can see the camera icon is dark and there's a line through it. So that is essentially it for vIDix Entry. Very simple app, but it's very effective for controlling entry into a facility where, again, if you have a vestibule or lobby door that you need to keep secure, not allow entry, you want to validate who the visitors are before letting them in the facility. Before we go, just a couple configuration screens I'll show you real quick. We have the manage door icon. You click on that, brings up a list of doors. You select the door, and then that door is automatically tied in to the system, and we'll be able to control it through the app. From the tenant side, or building contacts, you just enter first name, last name. The contact type is the key field, which determines whether the individual is going to show up under the tenant list or one of the building contacts. If they are a tenant, you put in the unit number and then the associated phone number. That's not displayed anywhere. That's just utilized behind the scenes. So that way, when they push the button for that particular residence on the list, then it just sends out a text message to those individuals. So that is it. This completes the run through for vIDix Entry, our two-way video vestibule control solution. Look for more information on its release in the upcoming weeks, and thanks for watching the video. Keep an eye out for our next Insights on Demand, which is scheduled for August. Thanks again. Bye now.